Hey there! Welcome to DollMotion! In my last Christmas special, I explained I organized a secret Santa between other doll YouTubers. I made a cute Christmas red panda for Anastasia Custom. But someone also made a doll for me. Well, I got my package today. So let's get that stuff out of the way. Wow, it's a very big box. Hey, I recognize this logo. This Polish folk art inspired logo can only be my good friend Bożena from Doll's brand new look. Ah, now I'm extra excited! I love our doll body mods! Okay, let's open this box. A letter with more folk art on it. The first thing we got out of the package is vegetable chips. I love this. Then we have garland on a roll. Hey, maybe I can use this as a shiny armor for a doll one day. Oh, these are nice. I can use these for stop motion scenes. That horse can be something Penny owns. Oh, and this can go on the wall. Oh, look at that cat! It's so cute. And then we have leather bands. Yes! I can definitely use these. Maybe as cool doll bracelets. Or maybe for an outfit. Then we have deco fur. Fur on a roll? Yeah, I have to check this. Wow, it's fake fur, but it's very soft. Then we have two miniature easels. I'm not really sure what they're for, but they're cute. Let's see, then we have... Oh, it's a mini Henry! Look, with beanie and all. Okay, maybe it's just an owl, but for me it's mini Henry. Nice, candy, cukierki. Krówki or krówka, little cow in Polish. They're kind of like fudge or caramel candies. But much better. Ooh, and what's this? Liquid krówka? Wow, I never seen this before. Can you drink this? Or is it something you can spread on bread? Yeah, I'm going to try this after the unboxing. Look, we have cake. Who doesn't like cake? Strawberry and chocolate. Just perfect. Ah, big candy cane, yes! Candy canes always look so pretty, don't you think? I actually think I'm going to keep this as decoration. Oh, don't worry, I will definitely eat the rest of the candy. And now the main event, the doll. Ooh, there's even more mail for me. Oh no, wait, it contains the certificate of the doll. Let's see, you can see the name of the doll. Oh, what? She made which character? Okay, I really need to see this. She made Dr. Emmett Brown from Back to the Future. Oh, I can't believe this. Okay, little explanation. Back to the Future is my favorite movie of all time. Like, I can watch it every day and not get bored. And then she made Dr. Emmett Brown for me. Oh, yeah, I'm very happy with this doll. But before we go more into the doll, let's also open these small boxes. Emmett, you can sit right here. Box number 1 is for, oh hey, for Alex. Look, it's, wow, it's Alex, hey. And box number 2, hey, it's for Penny. Look, it's Penny. And she even included a bunny plush. Oh, this explains the tiny easels. But wow, Bożena, these paintings are just amazing. I love them. Can you hold this for a second? In the last box we have more supplies. Like pompons, pink hair, gems, small magnets. Ooh, these are very handy for me. Small cutouts. Yes, mini zippers, always welcome. Ah, decoration mini slices. Volpini will love these. Oh, and the last item is the remote control for the DeLorean. Wow, this doll has so many details. She even made the Hawaii shirt on his suit. Wow, his hair is super soft. He's even wearing the stopwatch that's synced to his dog Einstein. Wow, he even got tools. And he's wearing Nikes. Now, I really want to make Marty McFly.
Hey, can I come in?
Yeah, of course.
Oh, are you working on a new outfit?
Yeah, I have a school project in January. So I'm taking some spare time to work on it.
It looks great already. You will definitely become a great fashion designer. But I came here to give you something. It's kinda old-fashioned and big, but I thought you might like it. It's a family Fox heirloom. It's kinda like your cube, although it's not a school, of course.
Thank you. It looks so pretty. And you're giving it to me?
Yeah.
Alex, are you really going to leave?
Yeah, I'm leaving in a few days.
I'm happy you could find your dream job. But I'm going to miss you.
I'm also gonna miss you, Penny. More than you'll ever know.
Again, Bożena, thank you so much for this amazing package and this wonderful doll. I will link the video how she made the doll in the description box, so definitely check that out. And of course the other Christmas swap dolls. I would like to thank my lovely patrons for their amazing support. And like always, like if you liked it and sub if you loved it. See you next video. Bye!